Alright, so we're being asked to find all of the relative max and min on 0 to 6. So what I like to do is just draw out my interval here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So all of my relative ones, I'm going to do my maxes in green. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go find that. So this looks like a relative max, and somewhere around here there's another relative max. So those are all my relative maximums. So now my relative minimums, I'm going to do in a different color here. I'm going to do them in pink. And so I'm going to go through and look at where it's always going to be a minimum relative there. So even right here at the end, it could be considered a relative minimum because it goes to the end. And right over here, that could be true. And then we're going to find the absolute max. So the absolute max is going to be in red. So absolute max ends up here because that's the highest point on the graph. And then the absolute min is going to be down here, the lowest point of the graph. And I did that in blue.